The birds are on the attack. Where'd they go? I want to catch one now. Ralph, you see any more?
You could have got that on the camera.
That was great. The bird just grabbed the bait and just bolted. That's fucking funny.
I wish you were around when
There goes one.
I was getting the bit.
I'm having a really bad hair day today. Yeah. Figures. Well, you're not done. You're not done. Well, look at him. Look at him. Look at him. See that? He's coming in for it. They smell it, right, Dad?
On the beach. I keep everything in
Right?
the
Cars fly by. Shoot. Oh, look at him. See him? He's hovering. He's hovering. It's a nice tow truck. Real nice tow truck. This is the type of sunlight, though, that this camera works really nice in. Hopefully, I've never used it without the backpack on it, without the screen. But I didn't have a case for the screen, so I hope this came out all right. The plane!
You should get Ralph talking about Mark. Oh, yeah, he'll show Mark. Just tell him, say hello.
Ralph, say what's up to Mark Always Vertical, because he watches my fucking channel all the time.
Come on, stop back, truck back, come back to fucking Brooklyn, Tampa, James over here.
Hell yeah. AV. Yo, we got birds stealing fucking bait over here. That's fucking great. Well, time for me to head to Brooklyn.